Hi, it's Bavik from Matt Gas. We've just completed the 3-bedroom house renovation. Which included painting, decorating, bathroom, kitchen, full rewire of the house. We've done it in 3 weeks and the client is over the moon. We've also included all the certificates, which include EPC, gas safety certificate, electrical condition report, so the client can put the property straight away on the market and get her rental income coming straight away. If you have any projects in the future, please don't hesitate to contact us.
The communication with Matt Gas was excellent. From the first instance, they came, checked everything, went through everything with me and made sure I was happy with everything. They checked all the measurements, they went through everything that I wanted, and then they literally got to work. I can't believe how much they managed to achieve in just 3 weeks. The finish is absolutely fantastic. I couldn't have asked for anything more. It was excellent. No job was too difficult or too hard. They just added it to the list. Anything that I wanted, that's what they made happen. I'm really, really pleased with the finish, and I would definitely employ them for everything and anything in the future.